I don't care what you have heard about Facebook. Facebook has brought me more coaching client in the last 6 years than any other platform, hands down. And I'm not talking about paying for ads or living on the apps all day. I'm talking about a simple human strategy that works even in 2025. If you've been ghosting Facebook or thinking about moving to another platform, or the other way around, you've been living on it and not seeing the results, you are about to learn the middle ground that actually get this to work. Today, I'm going to share 3 tips that how I use Facebook to get coaching clients every month. One is you're going to learn the Facebook mistakes that 99% of the coaches are making. Two is the exact way of how I use Facebook without eating my life away. Three is how I turn Facebook relationship into actual paying clients every single month. And stick around to the end because I'm inviting you to a workshop happening this weekend where I'm going to help you to create 30 days of content in just one sitting, even if you don't have a niche. Okay, quick note. I'm not saying this because Facebook is my comfort zone. I tested on Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok. While those are fine, nothing beats the kind of connection that I've been able to make and build on Facebook. And the way that I do it is completely different from what most coaches are doing, which is why it works. Tip number one, please, we're in 2025. Use your personal page. I want you to start ditching your business page for the relationship building. Use your personal page. Why? Because coaching is not like selling your product where you send people looking and flipping through a catalog and they're scrolling, but they're scrolling you. They're buying your energy. They're buying your value. They're buying your story. If you're still treating your coaching business like a faceless transaction in 2025, that's not only going to hurt you now, it's going to hurt your future. And I hear this all the time. But Michelle, my personal page is for personal stuff. Sure. But you also get to choose what is personal versus what is relevant. Share the part of your life that makes people go, oh, I can totally relate to that. Oh, I had that experience before. Or, oh, I do like her energy. I would love to work with her. Your personal page should have relevant, important information that your audience can connect with. Whether it is about your life, whether it's about your experience, you want to create a culture and an ecosystem where your audience will find your topic to be relatable. That ultimately will attract the audience that you want to attract. Tip number two is you want to join groups and connect with people strategically. Here's where most coaches go wrong. They create a group, they add everyone on their friends list, family, or anyone that they have just met, invite them into the group. Or they see an opportunity where share your group. They go and open that opportunity regardless of who is going to join. Please don't do that. Instead, what you want to do is join groups where your dream clients are actually hanging out. And same goes with your group. You want to make sure that you're creating a filter, an ecosystem where it's only your ideal client who can join. This way, people will more likely to comment on your post, answer the question, and being part of that community that you have created and you share. Think about it. If you join a group that your friend invited you to, and it is not a topic that is relevant or important to you, what do? Chances are you won't engage, you won't ask questions, you won't be there because it is not important to you. So if you're going to have a group or join a group, make sure that it is something that you can contribute value to and you want people who are interested and have raised their hand to be there. This way, not only will your engagement inside the group goes up, you feel more confident about having and hosting it. And the best part is the Facebook algorithm will actually reward you when you create a group that is engaging, that is purposeful, that bring people together. Tip number three is you want to make it about them and not you. And this goes to regardless whether it is your group or your personal page. The fastest way to be ignored is making every post about you. Think about your experiences on Facebook. If you see someone keep talking about themselves, what about me? On the other hand, the fastest way to be remembered is making your post about them. Speak to their struggle, their day to day challenge, things that people can relate to, the secret frustration, share your solution, show up for them in the easiest way. Don't make people think about things. We're all on Facebook for entertaining purposes. We're there to relax, maybe sometimes even to have a laughter. So don't make it hard and don't make it depressing all the time. And listen, even if nobody likes or comment, they're still watching. Silent watcher buy when the timing is right. Don't feel discouraged just because no one is commenting on it or no one is liking it. You have to stay consistent and start engaging in other people's posts in order for the algorithm to start learning the process. It's a machine. So the more that you work with it, the better it's going to serve you. Oh, and one more thing. Please stop tagging people just to get their attention. It is not only annoying, it's also absolutely not the best way to get engagement, not the best way to find your ideal client. What you want to do instead is to actually to go and give them the attention. Leave your thoughtful comments, specific comments, not just something that's lazy like great post, I really like this. That is not the way to build a real relationship. Think about your own experience. When someone commenting on great posts and just left, how does that make you feel? So here's the thing. Facebook still works. And if you use your personal page like a real person, connecting strategically in the group and making it all about them, you have a warm audience that is ready to hire you without you chasing them inside their DM. And if you're ready to actually know what to post so that you can stay visible and relevant without burning out, without the overwhelm, even without the niche, then come join me this weekend for my content planning workshop for newbie coaches. I'm going to help you to create 30 days of content in one sitting. Like I said, even if you don't have a niche, you'll walk away knowing exactly what to post, where to post, and how to make your content more meaningful, purposeful, so that people will want to work with you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to hear which platform are you currently hanging out. Comment down below and let me know. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
You are my brother, love.